Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur. My
Yes.
name is Kalim Ahmad Sudan.
Yes, please.
My question is, how can a Waqf-e-Nau working in the private sector makes the best use of his time as a Waqf to serve the Jamaat and live under the pleasure of Allah?
You see, what does Waqf-e-Nau mean? Waqf means you have dedicated your life. Since you have dedicated your life for the cause of the Jamaat and Islam, then you should always consider that any time which is being spent by you should totally be spent for the betterment of the Jamaat. Whether you are working outside or not. Okay, you do justice with your work outside. Since Jamaat has asked you to go outside and work whatever you like. But at the same time, whenever you get spare time, you should offer yourself to the Jamaat and ask them that now I am ready. I can give time, this much time, regularly every day for the Jamaat work. And at the same time, you set your own example, good examples before your colleagues. They would know that he is the person who is honest in his work, who is pious, who discharges his duties towards his religion, offer his daily prayers, and so they will know that despite being a young boy, this person is very, pious, and the person who should be followed, who has set the good examples. So in this way you will open the new avenues for tabligh. And when you are talking to your fellow colleagues, your fellow workmates, then you will, in this way you can do better tabligh about Islam, about Ahmadiyat. So they always keep in mind that the main purpose of a Waqf-e-Nau is to set good examples, and so that you can spread the message of Islam and Ahmadiyat among your the people of your country and your fellow friends, right?
Jazakumullah.